Bell rolls is the reporter thrown into the secretive world of the Forex supermodel, where nothing is as it seems. Beware the techno-monk, and steer clear of Professor Code and his two assistants. Give the senior trader a wide berth, and don't expect any sense from the risk manager.
Hello, I'm Professor Code and this is the Forex Supermodel data bounce video for Wednesday, the 26th of October 2022. We've got potential trade today, so it's data for 1500 GMT, BOC, Bank of Canada rates decision and subsequent statement. The FX pair we're going to have a look at is the AUD CAD, so Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. It's been pumped up in the Asian stroke European session, so it's got this sort of rise and then consolidation sort of look about it. We're going to stick in a sell order nearer the time, about approximately 7 points or pips from the market price, and we'll have to monitor that closely because we don't want it executed before the data. What volatility we're looking at? Well, AUD CAD is about 148 on a scale of 100 being the lowest and 400 being the highest volatility. So it's on the low side. Halfway is obviously 200, so it's on the low side. It's about 40, just below, 40% ish potential max volatility. So not too mad. So everybody's positioning, the market is positioning for a dovish Bank of Canada statement, but we're going to take advantage of it if it goes hawkish. So that's where we are. If we don't get executed after the data, we'll chop it out, and if we do get executed, we'll be monitoring to see when we're going to get out, maybe fairly quickly. Could be within literally a minute, or we could run it up to about a maximum of 20-30 minutes. So that's what we're looking at. So anyway, we'll see how we go. That's what we're going to be doing, so good luck if you're going to have a go, and if not, we'll review this sometime tomorrow probably. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and goodbye.